this photography campaign, we were asked to create something imaginative, incredible and inspiring using the ASUS Zenfone 2 all throughout.
We wanted to make a film that documented all our experiences in a place that's like heaven on earth, Kashmir.
We're so happy to be able to share this incredible experience with you. We start our journey in Srinagar, the city of lakes. Peaceful and serene, it seems a world removed from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai.
The silence speaks a lot about how beautiful this place is and what it's been through.
We've had such a good time in Srinagar and it's so peaceful and it's so calming, and I've never experienced something like this, but now is when the real journey starts. We're starting our 7-hour long drive to Gurez, and it's supposed to be a very challenging journey where the roads are not very accessible and there are military checkpoints and things like that, so let's see. We're so far away from the city and people that the air just feels different and the whole vibe is amazing.
But this is one crazy bumpy ride.
Yeah, that it is.
There's a vast diversity of plush green meadows and blooming flowers over here. It's unkempt yet perfectly designed that makes it so gorgeous, and I have so many ideas popping up right now.
Wow. So I've been really intrigued by the outfits and the way these women wear them so casually, and it's really beautiful.
जिस लड़की की शादी हो जाती है वो यही फेरन पहनती है जो इसने पहना है, जिसकी शादी नहीं होती है वो सीधा फेरन पहनती है।
वो सिर्फ सादा पहन
हाँ,
सकते हैं।
सादा
आप ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाला नहीं पहन
नहीं हम नहीं पहनते।
So Shahina and Noori actually brought me to the person that creates these outfits.
जो विंटर में यहाँ बनता है कपड़ा, वो अपने हाथ से यहाँ बनाते हैं। पहले ऊन साफ करते हैं, उसके पास कलर डालते हैं, फिर हमारे पास लेकर आते हैं।
So I'm with two really pretty girls right now, Kusum and Shaira. Kusum, आप मेकअप लगाती हो?
नो,
क्यों?
हमें अलाउड नहीं। अगर कभी मेकअप करते हैं हम चोरी छुपे करते हैं, घर वालों के सामने नहीं।
They're already so pretty. They have naturally freckled skin with really pretty blush on their face. So it's really amazing. अब बड़ा होके क्या बनना है?
मुझे ना पहले पुलिस बनने का बहुत शौक था। बाद में जब मुझे पापा की डेथ हुई ना, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं सिंगर बनूं। मुशैदा तुतु यार म्यो प्यार वो म्यो यार ने रोजे मुशैदा तुतु यार म्यो प्यार वो
ये है ना गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया है, बॉम्बे में एक मॉन्यूमेंट है, पूरा दरिया है इसके पीछे। ये उसके सामने एक बहुत पुराना होटल है। ये मेरा डॉग है। So Hanifa Begum and Saja have been kind enough to invite us into their home for a special cup of tea that they make.
पानी भी डालेंगे, दूध भी डालेंगे, नमक भी डालेंगे, बस।
Oh my god, this is the best tea I've ever had. This valley is full of legendary stories, and one of the most famous ones is Haba Khatun.
हबा खातून पहली पढ़ी लिखी लड़की थी कश्मीर की। उसकी शादी एक अनपढ़ गंवार लड़के से हुई। तो एक बार वो खेतों में दर्द भरे शार गा रही थी। एक बार यूसुफ चक का वहाँ से गुजर हुआ। वो कश्मीर का बादशाह था उन दिनों। उसने जब हबा खातून के गीत सुने तो उस पर वो फरेबता हुआ। दे फेल इन लव। हबा खातून एक मलिका बन गई।
With heavy hearts, we leave this heavenly valley in Kashmir to head to Delhi. We're taking back so much from here, moments, colors, textures vividly imprinted in our minds.
The fact that these houses are primarily made of elements like water, mud and grass, it keeps the villagers connected to the earth in a very real way. One thing that stunned me about the people in the village is that all the men, women, children, everyone had flawless skin. I kept asking them as to like, what do they apply on their face? Any homemade stuff or anything at all? But all I got was nothing. So I just thought, let's go with nothing.
Everything we've seen in the prison is so overwhelming and has inspired me to such a large extent. I'm looking for fabrics, jewelry and other elements to recreate the picture I have woven in my mind. One thing that really inspired me was the gorgeously ill-fitted silhouette that we saw all the women in the villages wearing, and it was just so beautiful. I wanted to put in a cape on my outfit, and I want the silhouette to be an ill-fitted trapeze.
My main inspiration for the makeup look comes from the locals in the Tilel village. I'm going to recreate those freckles and I'm going to recreate that sunburn look.
What I really like is the fact that a great young team of like-minded people worked on it, and I was happy I was the chosen one for makeup.
I just added like bit fashion to it. Braiding, adding ribbons, making look like very mess up.
It was like a way for me to learn more about India, so it was really interesting.
The final creation is our whole journey encapsulated in an image, an attempt to create a picture of meaningful memories that words cannot describe.
India is a vast country and we've been privileged to discover a small, hidden, beautiful part of her. It's been an incredible adventure and the ASUS ZenFone 2 has been with us every step of the way.